Health is always a major concern in every growth of the human race. It's advancing in the term of technology, like recent coronavirus attack that has reunited the economic of China. To extent, it's an example how healthcare has become the major importance. In an example, such as an area where the epidemic is a spread, it's always a better idea to monitor these patients using a remote health monitoring technology, which means IOT, an Internet of Things based health monitoring system, is a current solution for it. Remote Remote patient monitoring arrangements empowers the observing of patients outside the customary clinic settings, for example at home, which extends the access to the human service office at bringing down the expenses. The core objective of the project is a designing and implementation of a smart patient health tracking system that uses a sensor to track patient health and uses the internet to inform their loved ones in case of any issues. The object of developing a monitoring system is to reduce the healthcare cost by reducing physical office visits, hospitalizations, and diagnosing tests produces each of our bodies utilizing temperature and also pulse acknowledged to the pressures. Understanding well-being, the sensor are linked to microcontroller to track the status which these are interfaced to LCD screen, and additionally remote access station with a have capability to exchange the alarm if the framework find any sudden changes in understanding heartbeat or body temperature. The framework consequently alarms inadequate subtitle elements of the pulse and temperature of the patient live in the web. In this manner, the IoT setup tolerate the well-being following framework, visibly utilize the web to the screen quite well-being measurement and spare the precious time. There is a significant capability between them.
At whatever point the patient goes to the healing center premises, sensors sense these physiological signs and these signs are changed over to electrical signs. Then simple electrical flag is changed over to advanced flag which is put away in the RFID. The put away computerized information is transmitted through ZigBee protocol to the neighborhood server ZigBee. It is an appropriate convention for this framework. It comprises of greatest number of cell hub. It is more favored for gadgets which are littler in measure and expand less vitality. From nearby server, the information is exchanged to the therapeutic server through WLAN. Medicinal server comprises of substantial database as given in table 1. At the point when the information is exchanged to the therapeutic server, it checks whether the patient has any past medical record. Then the server adds the new information to the record and exchanges it to the specialist. In the event that patient does not have any past therapeutic record, then the server makes a new ID and stores the information in the database. This information is exchanged to the specialist for diagnosis.
The project IoT based patient monitoring system. Monitoring your beloved ones becomes a difficult task in the modern day life. Keep track of your health status of the patient at home is a difficult task. Especially old aged patients should be periodically monitored and their loved ones need to be informed about their health from time to time while at work. So, we propose an innovative system that automated this task with ease. In this system, we measure the heart rate and body temperature of a patient and send this value to web page through Wi-Fi over the internet. So, the caretakers can see this data from anywhere on the web page through the internet. The circuit consists of Arduino Uno board. It consists of IC Atmega 328P, 16:2 LCD display. It shows the heart rate and body temperature. Wi-Fi module ESP8266. It is used to communicate Arduino to the internet. Temperature sensor LM35. It is used to measure body temperature. Fingertip based heartbeat sensor. It is used to measure heart rate. Here we are using UBI dots as a